In this podcast, we will explore the topic of plant hormones. Plants produce hormones that allow them to respond to changes in the external environment. One hormone is ethene. This is a gas that controls cell division and the ripening of fruits. Gibberellins are also a plant hormone. They are important in starting off the seed germination, also known as sprouting, process. Auxins change growth patterns and allow roots and shoots to move either towards or away from a stimulus. A stimulus is a change in conditions. Responses to stimuli that involve directional growth are called tropisms. Out of those three plant hormones, ethene, gibberellin, and auxins. And ethene is a gas. Tropisms are controlled by auxins. These can be split into phototropisms and gravitropisms. So, phototropisms can be positive or negative. If they are positive, this means that they will grow towards a light source. If it is a negative phototropism, this means that it will grow away from a light source. A gravitropism can also be positive or negative. If it is positive, it means growth is in the direction of gravity, and if it is negative, this means that it is growing away from the direction of gravity. So words ending in tropism means there are responses to stimuli that involve directional growth. And these types are positive gravitropism, negative gravitropism, positive phototropism, and negative phototropism. The distribution of auxin affects phototropism, which, if you can remember, is the directional growth towards or away from a light source. One side of the shoot would be exposed to more light if the light source is on one side. Auxin is redistributed within the shoot so that the concentration is greater on the shaded side. This unequal auxin distribution will result in increased cell elongation on the shaded side. In shoots, auxins will promote the elongation of cells, but in roots, auxins would prevent the elongation of cells. So if auxin concentration is greater on the right side of a shoot, what will happen? It will increase the elongation on the right side, so on the shaded side. And in roots, auxins will prevent the elongation of cells, but in shoots, it will promote the elongation of cells. Now, can you remember what the three plant hormones we talked about were? So we've got ethene, auxins, and gibberellins. So the tropisms that we talked about were controlled by auxins, and the phototropisms were growth either towards, which is positively phototrophic, or away, which is negatively phototropic, to a light source. Gravitropisms can also be called geotropisms, and this is growth either towards, then it will be positive, or away, negative, from the direction of gravity.